The psychological needs of women, what most people never understand until it's too late. Most men lose women not because they're bad, not because they're weak, but because they never understood what she actually needed. They focused on attraction, on effort, on logic. She was focused on something else entirely, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. People always ask the wrong question. What do women want? That question sounds smart, but it's useless, because wants change, needs don't. And if you miss her psychological needs, everything you do, even the right things, start working against you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, women's behavior will stop feeling confusing and start feeling predictable. Before love, before attraction, before intimacy, there is safety, not physical safety, emotional safety. A woman is always scanning quietly for signals. Is this man consistent? Is he emotionally stable? Will my feelings be respected or used against me later? She might smile, she might joke, but internally she's watching. And here's the truth most people miss. When a woman doesn't feel safe, she doesn't argue. She disconnects. Men think silence means peace. For women, silence often means emotional withdrawal. That's when the relationship is already bleeding, even if no one's screaming yet. Attention is everywhere. Validation is not. Most men notice how a woman looks. Very few notice how she feels. And women know the difference instantly. Being desired feels good for a moment. Being seen feels grounding. When a woman opens up, she's not asking you to fix her life. She's asking one question: do you understand me, or are you just waiting for your turn to talk? If you've ever wondered why she stopped sharing things with you, this is usually where it started. Validation doesn't mean agreement, it means acknowledgement. When a woman feels constantly dismissed, she starts doubting her own emotions. Some women go quiet, others get louder. Both are asking for the same thing. Please don't make me feel crazy for feeling this. Strong men validate calmly. Weak men either over-validate or shut down. Neither builds attraction, only grounded presence does. Men connect through action, women connect through emotional continuity. This is where relationships quietly break. A man thinks, nothing's wrong, I just need space. A woman feels something changed, I don't know why. And uncertainty creates anxiety, not because she's insecure, but because emotional clarity equals safety. This next part explains why women start testing men. Pay attention. Every woman wants to feel chosen, not tolerated, not convenient, not temporary, chosen. When she feels secure in that choice, she relaxes. When she doesn't, she questions, she tests, she overthinks. Not to control you, but to calm her nervous system. Uncertainty keeps her on edge. Certainty lets her soften. Intensity looks exciting. Stability feels safe. A man who stays calm under pressure creates emotional grounding. He doesn't get pulled into chaos. He doesn't panic. He doesn't disappear emotionally. That presence allows a woman to stop bracing herself. Chaos drains attraction. Stability builds it. Women don't want emotional roller coasters. They want someone who can hold the ride steady. Control kills desire. Security creates it. Women need freedom to express themselves, to grow, to exist outside the relationship. Love suffocates when it turns into monitoring. Strong connection doesn't limit freedom. It protects it. Conflict isn't the problem. Disconnection is. Women pay attention to how you fight. Do you listen? Do you regulate your emotions? Do you repair afterward? Being right doesn't matter. Repair does. Because unresolved emotional tension never disappears. It just goes quiet until it turns into distance. Many female reactions come from one core fear: emotional abandonment. Not being left physically, but being unseen, unheard, emotionally alone. Once you understand this, her behavior stops looking irrational. It starts looking human. Women don't need perfection. They don't need constant effort. They don't need nonstop intensity. They need presence, consistency, emotional awareness, and someone who stays grounded when things get uncomfortable. When those needs are met, love deepens naturally. When they're ignored, distance grows, quietly at first, then all at once. Understanding this changes everything. If this made you see relationships differently, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe if you want more psychology, power, and human truth without sugarcoating, because awareness is the real advantage.